Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I am going to make dahi vada in my Royal Kitchen. For that we have to take 1 cup of black gram. We have to wash it with 3 waters and soak it for 2 hours. I have washed the black gram with 3 waters and soaked in a mineral water. Keep it aside for 2 hours. This is our soaked black gram. I have soaked it for 2 hours. We have to grind it into we have to transfer the black gram into a mixer grinder and grind it into a smooth paste. This is our grounded black gram batter. To this we have to add half a cup of gram flour or chickpea flour. Mix all of them well. I have mixed the chickpea flour or besan flour with the black gram batter into a thick paste. Keep it aside for half an hour. In a pan, take 1 ladle of oil. To this we have to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them pop up. Our mustard seeds are popping up. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 broken red chilies. Turn off the stove. To this add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. To this I am adding 10 green chilies and half a cup of coriander leaves paste. I have coarsely grounded all of them. Add 1 large grated carrot to this. Again we have to light the flame of the gas and saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. For 2 to 3 minutes we have to saute all of them well. So that the lycopene and keratin in the carrot plant cells may get released from the carrot plant cells. We have to cook the lycopene substances so that the plant cells may release the lycopene from them. After 2 minutes, turn off the flame and let it cool for some time. Add 1 teaspoonful of salt to this mixture. Mix all of them well. I am also adding 1 teaspoon of salt to this vada batter. And half a teaspoon of baking soda to our vada batter. Mix all of them well. To this green chilli carrot mixture I am adding 1 liter of thick curd. Whisk all of them into a smooth paste. To this whisked curd I am adding 1 cup of water and again mix all of them well. Again add 1 more cup of water. Again mix all of them well. We have to maintain this much of consistency in our curd, otherwise our dahi vadas may not soak the curd, thick curd. So we have to make it somewhat diluted. Again I am adding 1 more cup of water. According to the thickness of the curd, we have to adjust the water quantity. When our dahi vadas absorbs the dahi, it may get very thick. It gets into a very thick consistency. So we have to add enough water to our dahi vada and take 1 liter of curd to make dahi vada. Keep it aside for some time. Now take 3/4 liter of oil or 1 liter of oil into a pan and keep it for heating. We have to adjust the salt in the dahi. I have mixed chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of this baking soda in our vada batter, black gram batter, and see, it is very well fermented. Now take a ball sized dough on an oil sheet like this. We have to take a lemon sized dough and make a hole in it. See, like this we have to make vadas. Like this we have to transfer it into our hand and place it in the pan which contains oil. Like this we have to make all the vadas. We should not flip the vadas on their own. They will float on the surface of the oil. No need to flip them. We have to fry them until they gets into a golden brown color. We have to maintain this much of thick consistency in our black gram batter, otherwise our vadas may break down. See, when we flip them, they may not be broken into pieces. We have to maintain a perfect consistency. If our batter is very thick, we have to add some water in it. If it is very diluted, add some more gram flour in it, so that we have to maintain a perfect consistency in our batter. Don't overload the surface of the oil with vadas. Maintain some distance between them so that they may not get stick to each other. Definitely add some baking soda to our dahi vadas. Otherwise we will get a hard vadas. Now keep the flame in high. And fry them until they gets into a golden brown color. Flip all the dahi vadas with the help of a kitchen tanks like this. See, all our dahi vadas turned into golden brown in color. See, they are very well puffed up from all the sides. Now we have to take them into a filter ladle. And we have to drain out the entire oil in the vadas and transfer all of them directly into the whisked dahi mixture. Now I am going to make a second round of the dahi vadas. We have to soak the dahi vadas by dipping them into the dahi mixture. Now our dahi vadas are soaked up very well with the dahi. Now garnish them with some grated carrot. Now our dahi vadas are ready to eat and serve. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Make these dahi vadas. They are very yummy, delicious and eye-catching.